Okay, such as here.
It's really like, I'm a judge now. I'm gonna say something like,
Sylvia will be my permanent celebrity judge on my channel.
I'm Paul or something like that. Oh yeah, you do.
I'm gonna be a Polish Gordon Ramsay.
Hello, Samuel. On my previous video I have made gado-gado salad. On this one I would like to try to make the Martabak manis. So it's a sweet one if I'm not mistaken. Hopefully I'm gonna get that right. Let's do this, shall we? I have all the ingredients prepared. So I have Nutella and the nuts that I will mince later. That's milk, tapioca flour, regular flour, castor sugar, eggs, baking soda, yeast, butter, and I need the whisk. So, wish me luck. The base is mixed. Now I'm gonna put it away for half an hour and wait for the dough to grow. See you in 30 minutes. The dough is almost ready. So it's time to prepare the topping for the martabak. For that I'm gonna use the nuts, which I'm crushing right now. Nutella, some milk, some butter, and some castor sugar. I'm gonna use the frying pan to bind the ingredients together. Nutella. Slow gas because we don't want to burn the chocolate. So our topping, full of chocolate, is ready. Right, the base is ready. Need to preheat the pan. Shall I put the fat on the pan or not? Well, it's a non-stick pan, so. Oh, the dough is quite thick. Never seen the dough for the pancake like this. The pan is hot, guys. Time to pour the Martabak base. Don't know how much you guys normally put. That will be my guess. bubbling nicely. Small gas. Fingers crossed, guys, fingers crossed. It got really big inside. Alright, so I took my first Martabak out, but it's burnt, so I need to start again. And my second one is ready and it's better. Thank God. Okay, so I've put the spread on the top. Now time to fold it. Look at that chocolate. And cut it. Okay, so the Martabak is ready.
Is that peanut sauce?
So this is how it looks like. I've got my judges behind me, they just can't wait to try it, so so we will see what they got to say. Hopefully it will be nice. Wish me luck. Sylvia again.
Get in my belly. Can I have
Right.
it now?
Yeah? Help yourself to the Martabak manis.
Martabak manis.
Mmm. It's so fluffy. Very flavoursome. What is this sauce? Is
It's
it
a
from nuts?
yes, it's a peanut and chocolate sauce.
You are a nut.
Mm.
You can put like
It tastes amazing.
fruits as well. No, be honest.
It actually
Uh-huh.
reminds me of Nutella.
Because there is a Nutella in the mix.
Oh, is there?
Yes.
Right.
Oh, you love Nutella.
I love
Favorite.
Yeah.
I've used Nutella to the mix, yes.
I know you so much.
But Nutella is very smooth. It doesn't have the chunky nuts in it.
Yeah.
So I've added
It's
the
better.
roasted nuts and I've minced them in the mortar and pestle. Then added to Nutella, butter, milk and some other ingredients to make sure that the sauce is a bit different.
It's amazing. I think I could eat all of this.
Okay. Number 2. So how would you rate it?
I would give easy 9.5.
Oh wow.
Honest to God, with the hands on my heart. Yeah, it's really good.
I'm happy to hear that.
You can bring
Everyone
some.
should try at least once in your lifetime.
Oh,
Okay, such as here.
you really like. I'm a judge now. I'm gonna say something like.
Sylvia will be my permanent celebrity judge on my channel.
Paul or something like that. Oh yeah, you do.
I'm gonna be a Polish Gordon Ramsay.
Outstanding.
It's fucking
Let's see
great.
that. Oh my god, look at that. That looks similar to Indonesia though. Yeah. You don't turn like this, but it's your.
Yeah, that's the thing. I didn't know how to
Yeah.
fold it on the beginning.
You
So.
don't fold this like this, white and there. This is the right fold. This.
Okay.
This is how we sell it.
Okay.
Not like this.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
It gives variety, I guess.
It is similar. It's a knife.
Is that taste like home?
Yes.
Oh, well done me.
It's knife.
Yay, looks like I'm gonna have my celebration today.
I hate to say, it's even better than Indonesia.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
You know why? Because the product you use here for sweet is high quality. You know what I'm saying? Like Nutella and whatever you put in there, quite high quality compared to Indonesia. I mean, I'm buying this in small shop in Indonesia. Maybe if I go to restaurant, maybe nice quality as well. You know what I mean?
I love the one from the street food. They are absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, but this one is, you can taste the quality of the ingredient. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Rating?
9.5.
9.5. Oh my god, I'm gonna write that on the chimney, guys. This is the highest I had for anything I did. Wow.
Well done for today. All nice. Really tasty. Really nice. Thank you.
Thank you. So,
Wow.
mission accomplished second time today. Oh god, I'm feeling so confident now. Thank you so much. Right, enjoy your dessert, guys.
Cheers.